Class 7th NCERT Chapter 9 Question 9. Explain how pollution and soil erosion could be prevented. Soil pollution. Soil pollution controlled by following measures. The first is by reducing the use of plastic. We can reduce soil pollution. Second point, by controlling the use of chemicals, fertilizers, and pesticides, then soil erosion controlled by following measures. First point, planting more and more trees will result in the reduction of soil erosion. The second point, by stopping deforestation and avoid overgrazing of animals.